Metro Atlanta judge is facing multiple charges after being arrested at a Buckhead nightclub early this morning. According to Fulton County jail records, Douglas County Probate Judge Christina Peterson has been charged with felony willful obstruction of a police officer by using threats or violence and simple battery against a police officer.
Let her fucking go! Let her fucking go! Let her fucking go! No, I didn't. I don't punch niggas! Take me where you need to take me immediately, expeditiously.
You're preventing
Take me, I could give a damn. Take me where you want to take me.
So how do you want me to take you somewhere expeditiously?
Now. Don't play with me. Play with your mama.
What's your first and last name?
Play with somebody else, Freeman. You can Google me and find me anywhere in America. Obstruction, you said felony obstruction? Yeah. What is felony obstruction?
That was police body cam footage from an arrest of a Georgia probate judge named Christina Peterson. Before I play the body cam footage, I'm going to add a little context here. From lawsuits to ethics violations, she's been in the news over the last couple years. Here are multiple examples of the issues that she's had, including putting her Cash App on her public profile and then asking for donations for her birthday. Which sounds more like a girl who does OnlyFans instead of an attorney or a judge. But in case you forgot, this is Clown World.
On her birthday last August, Peterson posted this on her official Christina J. public Instagram page. A picture of herself wearing a birthday tiara and listing her Cash App account. Quote, if anyone feels like sharing their quarantine wealth. When JQC investigators contacted the judge this year, the complaint says Peterson explained she thought that post was to her private personal page, and I was wondering on that day why I was getting Cash App from people I didn't know. The JQC said in her Instagram bio, Peterson called herself Judge-elect.
If it was done in public, it's a cardinal violation, which is an intolerable activity for a judge to do. A judge cannot stand up and say, I'm a judge, send me money.
The complaint also says Peterson used her judge-elect status to encourage people to visit 2 restaurants. And on her Twitter page, she recorded a video offering relationship advice, calling someone a, quote, homeless sexual, and making reference to, quote, African-American male genitals. The JQC called it, quote, inappropriate sexual commentary. Judge Peterson did not reply to repeated requests for comment from the Fox 5i team.
I'm grateful that the people of Douglas County elected me to serve as their probate judge. That is a big thing.
Peterson already generated controversy before she took office, convincing commissioners to pay her more than her predecessor because he was not an attorney and she is. Peterson now collects $124,000 a year. Combine that with the money she's allowed to keep from fees paid for documents like marriage and birth certificates, and Peterson could make more than a state Supreme Court judge. Her decision to let 7 people into the courthouse for a Saturday wedding, even though the sheriff's office had warned earlier they didn't have staff to operate the security checkpoint.
She put all of the employees that work in this courthouse and the citizens who would come that Monday morning at risk.
Then there's Peterson's public dispute with her homeowners association, where she called one attendee a witch and offered the board a deal to dismiss a lawsuit she had filed. The March meeting was supposed to be a friendly town hall for the residents of the Silver Creek Ranch neighborhood in Douglas County. Then Christina Peterson began speaking, repeating her demand the board be thrown out and make way for a special election.
You have the ability to call a special election to give the homeowners the opportunity to come, congregate, nominate, and elect their own board.
So I can only go by our legal. It's not third party.
The probate judge knows what she's talking about. Listen to her. She got 2 pending lawsuits against us right now.
The angry reaction to Peterson stems from a lawsuit she and others filed in 2017 against the HOA that led to a $70,000 settlement. According to a complaint filed against her by the Judicial Qualifications Commission, Peterson never shared that money with her clients. And the time she ordered this woman jailed for contempt for 2 days. PJ Skelton asked to amend her wedding license after learning years later the true identity of her father. Peterson ruled she had lied on the initial application.
I didn't have no thought in my mind like she's about to get arrested. I didn't have that in my mind at all.
No one told you to bring a lawyer, that you might need an attorney?
No one. I thought it was going to be an easy fix.
So as you can see, this woman is working within the legal system and clearly does not care about any laws, rules, or regulations, which brings us to her latest controversy, the arrest. Obviously, we have no idea what happened before the cops got there, but I'm going to play the witness statements first and then followed by the body cam footage. The last thing I'll say is it's absolutely crazy that this woman was elected to a position of power, but the Atlanta area did give us Fonnie Willis as DA, so I guess I'm not that surprised.
Alexandria Love says an argument turned violent early Thursday morning. She says a woman's boyfriend attacked her.
So sad because no one helped. There was so many men out there. And the only person that helped was a woman.
Love says that woman is Douglas County Probate Judge Christina Peterson. Atlanta police responded just outside Red Martini Club around 3:15 when the fight broke out.
Only because of the way she was swinging. So in the process of her reaching back, that's how the cop got hit.
Madison Shannon Kelly is Love's friend who was also trying to get her help.
Focus is not the judge. The focus is the fact that this man attacked my friend.
They say officers never arrested the man responsible, but Judge Peterson was arrested and charged with simple battery against a police officer and a felony after an officer says they were struck with their closed fist.
No, he just punched me. Everything for no reason. Why are you serious? Let him fucking go. Let him fucking go. Let him fucking go. Let him fucking go.
That's a cop.
And that's on me. Shit. No, I didn't. I don't punch niggas.
Ma'am.
Take me where you want to take me.
I can't take
no,
you. I don't
take
have any
me.
identification on
And
me.
I don't care. You don't need identification. You have locked people up and you have picked up dead bodies when you don't know who bodies it was, but you picked them up. Take me where you need to take me.
I'm trying to.
No, take me where you need to take me immediately, expeditiously.
You have prevented
Take me. I could give a damn. Take me where you want to take me.
So how do you want me to take you somewhere expeditiously?
Now. Take me where you want to take me. Take me where you need to go, sir.
I can't.
Harassment.
I can't.
This is harassment.
You don't want to provide a name.
Run me into
you can't provide a name.
It's a pod, cell, take me where you need to take me. I will get a fingerprint and they can find out who I am.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
Don't play with me.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
Please, stop playing with me and harassing me.
That's not how it works.
It will work like that, I promise you.
I need a name and date of birth.
No.
All right, then
You should have known that when you harassed
we're gonna
me.
sit here then.
Freeman, don't play with me. Play with your mama.
What's your first and last name?
Play with somebody else, Freeman. You can Google me and find me anywhere in America.
I mean, what's your name?
Find somebody else.
So I can Google you.
Call somebody.
So
I told him who to call.
Are you gonna give me your other
I
finger
told
or
him who to
not?
call and to ask him who I was.
Are you gonna give me your finger
I
or
told
not?
him to call. I said no.
Okay,
Because
appreciate it.
that's
But what? I wasn't cuffed. I wasn't when it needed to. Shut the fuck up. You look like a nigga who was trying to eat on me before and I never let him. Relax. Shut the fuck up. And stop touching me.
Don't.
Yeah, stop touching me. Get the fuck off of me. Stop touching. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me.
Now, which one are you staying this too tight, ma'am? Because it's moving. This one?
This one?
Okay. Actually, I can't get it from here. How does that feel? I gotta. You have small wrists, so it's,
I know I do. I don't supposed to be in handcuffs.
You said you shouldn't be in handcuffs? Okay.
But when people. So what's my charges now? You said I was charged with a felony. What's the felony? You didn't tell me that.
Yeah, misdemeanor.
What's that?
This is the.
How many charges is it, sir? Because they went from 1 to.
I told you, obstruction and simple battery.
Obstruction. What's you said felony obstruction?
Yeah.
What is felony obstruction?
It's the same thing I just said. You struck the officer. Come on.
You can Google me and find me anywhere in America.